Okay, so imagine you hate your government. You might be ruled by a dictatorship, maybe by a foreign power, or maybe you just believe that your political opinions are better. Like many people throughout history, you might try to solve this with... So here are some types to inspire you.
Ma vie est devenue un peu moins que parfaite depuis la Révolution.
I'm taxing you. Demonstruji za svobodu zem. Žádný. Demonstruji za svobodu zem. Máte nějaké reformy? Pak znovu demonstruji. Dobře, země je svobodná.